unbelievable play. You know, listening to what Simon was talking about, I thought they were thinking of a decoy play. I thought they were thinking of a foul play, but he doesn't have other things in mind. We did say that Alaska likes to run plays with just a few seconds left on the clock. And look at this play. Simon Simpson getting this job on the defense. Laptop to it. One, the pass, and two, the back pick by Larry Bonacero, leading to that. Clean slam dunk for Diamond Simpson, and an after to the game. Unbelievable. Watch it here. You see the back pick right there. The pick, freeing up Diamond Simpson, and that was the key play. The back pick, and then the jump, and then you just see it was nowhere near being able to stop that play. That was actually what Coach was talking about.
Isigingol ako, katulad nyo, kasi sa buhay.
Kailangan natin isiging.
Edo Manzano. Balik sa balita, inabot pa rin ang aberya sa Backyard Abra kung saan mismo Smart Matic Technician ay naghirap sa solusyonan ang problema. Iba pang makina at ang CF card dahil nawalan ng kuryente sa ilang bahagi ng Abra Kapagagawin. Nagpapatrol Ron Gagala.
Pagkasaksak pala sa kuryente, shutdown agad ang lumalabas na command sa mga PCOS machine sa pinakamalaking presinto ng Abra. Naghula ang mga PI, gayon din ang mga testigo. Dapat kasi insert security key ang unang lalabas na command para mapagana ang makina. Sinubukan palitan ng CS card. 4 na beses inulit pero ayaw pa rin gumana. Ito rin ang naging problema sa makina sa kabilang presinto.
Wala kasi pwedeng i-insert yung I button keypad, wala pa yung command po.
Hindi lumalabas yung command.
Hindi.
Tinuro sa inyo kung bakit sa problema, hindi na tinuro.
Pragmatic kasi yung nasagot. Pragmatic na ang
Kahit ang Smartmatic technician hindi alam ang gagawin, nagbasa pa ito ng manual, tinundot ng ballpen ang likuran ng makina at tumawag sa kanilang supervisor para humingi ng instruction. Inabot ng 4 na oras bago napagana ang PCOS.
memory card inserted is not the correct memory card. It should be the compact